Are we recording? Hey, what's that over there? Hey. Are we good? Are we rolling? Are we rolling? So today is going to be a little bit different than what I am normally doing. Today we're actually going to try. And make something good because it's 20 to 6 and I haven't had dinner yet. So this is going to be it. Basically, I got stuff in my cupboard and I got stuff in my fridge. I'm just gonna use it. Let me acquiesce, reposition towards the fridge. We have 2 pieces of chicken breast. We have a mozzarella meatball, a mozzarella cheese ball, some leftover pepperoni from the pizza night from the other night. That. Mustard, bold and spicy, and honey Dijon. Egg. Egg. We got some olive oil, not a lot left. Hopefully that's enough. Some bread. Pastini breadcrumbs, Italian flavored with Italian. And flour. Wait, I'll get that momentarily. We're gonna get our that was pretty good, right? Okay. We're gonna get our really sad looking chicken breasts. Huh?
You want a knife first?
Yeah.
Before you dirty up?
Yeah. I'm gonna need this for the bread. Okay, we're using this one. Pat the chicken dry. Make sure she's dry. We're going to split these chicken fillets. We start at the big end and we cut them thin. Is everybody in the groove? Right? Thin. Yeah, well, I'll pretend we didn't see that. It's good. What I need to do is wash my hands real quick. I'll be right back. We should get gloves.
Actually, yeah.
So we need bowls.
Oh, these bowls. I thought you meant cereal bowls.
And now what the heck are we gonna be doing with cereal bowls?
I don't know.
What the heck? What the heck would we do with cereal bowls? What the heck would we do with cereal bowls? Actually, you know what? We do need cereal bowls. For the eggs. Should be enough. And then flour. What do you think? 2 eggs? 3 eggs?
3 to be safe.
3 to be safe. Ta-da! And just like that, I got a fork. We go. 1, 2, 3, plate. Chicken. Egg. Flour. Breadcrumb plate. In that order. Egg. Let that drip. You let that drip. You let that drip. Flour. Huh. 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 Make sure it's coated all the way. Wait. Back to the egg. And you let that drip. And you let that drip. Breadcrumb. You pat it down. Make sure the whole thing is covered. One. And then I'm just gonna go straight for flour. Make sure it's all coated. Make sure. Breadcrumb. Ta-da! My fingers are a little bit gunky. I'm just gonna. Important to pat the extra flour off. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Don't talk! And here we go. They smell good already.
I can't smell them, but I believe you.
Good. That looks good, actually. They look real good. I'm gonna go do something with these. That's pretty gross, eh? I look like I'm turning into the Thing from Fantastic Four.
Or the Sandman
Or the Sandman.
from Spider-Man.
That too. I'll warm up. And how do I look?
Beautiful.
Thank you. Let's see what we got going on here. That might be enough. Well, that's not enough. But you know what? We'll make do with what we got.
Just add some water.
That'll do it. You know what I love to do on a Sunday night? Is just create like a big old grease fire. Just add some water to that hot oil. Just dump it right on there, and you're just gonna have yourself a good old grease fire. Think it's hot yet? Should I touch it? Ow! Damn, you should be getting paid extra for this light work you got going on. It's just
I'm getting paid?
It's just cause we'll negotiate off camera.
Look, it's a fat heart. Sorta.
Aww. So cute. Anyway. That looks good. She's doing it. Put this cloth. Put this here.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Smart.
Yeah. I know. I am a genius. Give her a flip. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Wait, hold on a second. Looking good. Okay, these ones I think are done. And remember, this is just stuff that I have in my fridge in my cupboard. You know, we didn't really like prepare for this. I just had some chicken, I had some breadcrumbs, and I had some olive oil, you know? Like, I mean, the cheese, maybe not something that everybody would have. You might need to go to the store for this. But pepperoni? Sure. Why not? Why wouldn't you have any damn pepperoni in your damn house? Eat it like a corn on the cob. Or not, I don't care. What kind of mustard are you gonna want on it? Bold and spicy or honey Dijon? The honey Dijon. Nice. Good call. Good call. You know what? There's 2 buns if you wanted, we could do the top one sauce and then the bottom the other.
That's a good idea.
That might be good. That might be good as heck. And see, the best part is they're so thin, they don't take very long to cook. They cook through quite easy. Look at these ones over here. These are looking nice and firm and here we go. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn the oven on, set it to broil. I mean, we don't have a lot of clean knives, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna use this little serrated one. You want thin, oh, I guess I can. You want really, really thin slices. This knife is really hard to do with, but that's okay. That might be enough for 2 sandwiches.
Yeah.
I would think so. I would think so. The mozzarella. Okay. Would be nice to have a better knife. It is a little brittle. I'm gonna put the bigger one on the bottom. Right. A couple pieces of cheese. Then you want the smaller one on top. And more cheese. It's gorgeous. How does that look?
That looks good.
It does look good. Just waiting for the preheat. Probably could have started the preheat a little bit earlier and it would have been done by now, but very close. Very nice. Super soft. Like ridiculously fresh. You don't have to apply any pressure when cutting bread. A lot of people do that and it bugs the hell out of me. You just gotta let the knife do the work. Like literally just bam. Like check this one out. Watch this one. 2 fingers, 1 finger to keep it steady. Just once she catches, oh yeah, there you go. You don't want to crush the bread. For the love of God, do not crush the bread. Bam. Do not crush the bread. I cannot stress this enough. It's gotta be done soon, right? It's pretty hot.
Just put it in. Just put it in.
Just put it in?
I want food.
Just put it in? She wants me to just put it in. Okay.
I'm hungry.
Okay. Just put it in, she says.
Give me the food.
She says just put it in. Are you sound like you're getting hungry. Are you getting hungry? Pow. It looks so good. Oh, they look good.
They melt.
Bread face down. Maybe I should have done 2 at a time. It's a little late. How's that look? Yep, done. Beautiful. Beautiful. So you want 1 sauce on one side, 1 sauce on the other?
Sure.
So this one's honey Dijon.
Looks like peanut butter.
It's peanut butter! I tricked you! We're having peanut butter and chicken sandwiches for dinner! Peanut butter and chicken sandwiches! Bam. And now for the cross section. How's that look?
That looks good.
That looks good. You ready to try it?
Yeah.
Do you want yours cross section as well?
Sure.
Dang. That looks great. Alright. Let's give her a shot. Bottoms up, down the hatch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Give that a shot. The mustard really adds a lot to it.
Yeah? It smells good.
Yeah. It might squish out the bottom. Yeah. That's good, right?
That's really good.
Like, I'm kind of mad I didn't use 2 more chicken breasts so we could have 2 sandwiches instead of 1, you know?
Next time.
Next time. Well, the cheese isn't melty anymore, but you know what I mean. Yeah. That's something good. That's something good. That is some good right there. Literally like 3 ingredients. Breadcrumbs, chicken, cheese, I guess pepperoni. And you're golden. Unbelievable. I could have left the bun on for a little bit longer, I think. It's nice and soft still though. Like wow.
I think it's perfect.
I think it's perfect, yeah. You're right. Okay. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a shot for yourself. That was incredible. You have anything to say for yourself, Beck?
It was really, really good.
Wow.
I also recommend trying it.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Hey. It's October! And you know what that means? Plaid. What up, Paderno? Take our chicken, put it in the center of the bologna. How's that?